So for this payslip, we have the private double, hours work, hours overtime, hours late, rate per hour, and net pay. This would be the variables that will be declared. Then next, we will create the default constructor with default values. You have the public payslip, then rate per hour is equal to 100, then hours work is equal to 20, hours overtime is equal to 5, and hours late is equal to 5. Then we will create the alternate constructor using parameter values. Public payslip, then double hours work, double hours overtime, doubles hours late, then double rate per hour. Hours work is equal to hours work, then hours OT is equal to hours OT, then hours late is equal to hours late, then RPH is equal to RPH. Then next, we will create an accessor method for the following. The hours work, OT, late, and rate per hour and net pay. Then we'll just put public double get hours work, then return hours work. We will just do the same procedure for the others. Next, we will create the update method for the net pay. We will just put public double, then compute pay slip, then net pay is equal to hours work plus hours late. Then the result for this one would be subtracted by the hours late. Then we would be multiplied by rate per hour. Then we will return it by net pay. Then we will create the default output of the create class. We will put public string, then toString, then string str output. Str output is equal to hours work plus hours work, then plus slash n backslash n. Then str output plus is equal plus or equal to hours OT, then plus OT hours OT, then plus backslash n. Then we'll just do same procedure for the hours late and rate per hour. So let's talk about the main class. The main class will be the declaring of the variables. We have the payslip, then net pay. We will now construct instance assigns its reference to net pay. Net pay is equal to new payslip. Then we will after that we will display value of net pay using default output of net pay. System dot print line then net pay. Then after that we will compute and display value of the net pay. We have the system dot print line net pay then plus net pay dot compute payslip. Then a spacer, then you have the constructing the instance using the default constructors assigns its reference to net pay 2. Payslip, then net pay is equal to new payslip. Then you have the following, the 150, 35, 10, and 8. Then we will display the value of net pay 2 using default output of grade class. You have the grid system print line, then net pay 2. Then lastly, we will compute the display value of the net pay 2. You have the system print line, then net pay plus net pay 2 compute payslip.